Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a spicy chicken grilled sandwich on the grill, of course. So over here I have the chicken breast. I have 2 pieces. I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches. I put this a few hours ago. We put salt and pepper and some buffalo hot sauce in here. Also, you're gonna need the bread. I'm using brioche. It's a little bit sweet. And some vegetables and cheese, of course, and some extra garlic powder. Okay, let's get to the grill. Alright, so we're back by the grill over here. I'm using 2 zones. One is for hot and fast, and one is for low and slow. You have 2 choices to grill this. You can either put it here hot and fast and then take it out, or just put it here low and slow. Like I'm gonna put this on the indirect side, cook it till 155, and then I'm gonna sear it off on the fire over there. So I'm gonna do this on the indirect side, and I'm also gonna add some wood chunk for the smoke flavor. All right. One piece. And this is the second piece. Okay. So let me add the wood as well. Right there. Okay. So I'm gonna close the lid, and I'll be back in 10 minutes and check for the doneness. Chicken is done at 165. So as I said, I'm gonna cook this till 150, 155, and then I'm gonna sear it off in here for some nice grill marks. Alright guys, I'll see you back in 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take a look. It cooks very fast. It's around 400 on the inside of the grill right now. I'm using lump charcoal. Got smoke in my eyes. Let's see. My thermometer is very slow. So it's around 130 right now. Okay. Let me put some extra garlic. Nice. Okay. Now it's I'm gonna turn. You don't have to turn, but I'm just gonna turn it. Look at this. Nice. Some more garlic. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out once it's gonna hit 150, and then I'm gonna sear it off for 30 seconds on each side. Alright. Alright guys, so the chicken breast was offset for 10 minutes, and I checked it's exactly 155. So it's time to sear. Got my sear grates in. Take one by one. I'm gonna do 30 seconds, 45 seconds on each side. I want to hit that very nice sear marks on there. Okay. Now, so I'm gonna toast the bread a little bit in here as well. So I have the bread. There we go. Alright, that should do. Let me flip it. Well, I didn't got the sear marks I wanted, but that still works. There we go. Okay. Also, while it's searing, I'm gonna put the cheese on top. I'm using regular mozzarella slices. There we go. Take a look at the bread. Alright, let me take this aside. Let's look at the bread really quick. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the chicken over there as well. Okay. This one too. Look at this. That should do it. Alright. Alright guys, I'll take off everything and I'll go to the table and show how I build it up. Alright. I got the plate in here. I got the bread. Nice and toasted a little bit. Okay. Got the leaf over here. Like that. Got the tomato. Got pickles. You can use whatever vegetables you want or not at all. Okay. Now it's time to take the breast. Came out really juicy. Look at this. Alright. One more tomato on top of it. And now I'm just gonna top it off with buffalo hot sauce. Like so. There we go. And gonna put the cover back on. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's ready to eat. Now is the taste test, I guess, right? No, not sure how to start this. Ooh, so good. It's hot too. Yeah, look at this, guys. All juice is coming out and stuff. Super delicious. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.